Welcome to Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech, and this week we're going to start looking at all the Christmas Lego merchandise that is now available. We have Christmas hangers, these two here. This one has 34 pieces in it. This one with two different reindeer and a snowman's head has 126 pieces in it. We're not going to do those ones today. Then we have some more Christmas hangers for the Christmas tree with 142 pieces in it. Set number 40494. We have a penguin and a Christmas tree and some presents. 40498, the Christmas penguin. We have a Brickheadz, which I've been saving. Brickhead number 112, the Nutcracker. Set number 40425. This is the one we're going to do today. 180 pieces. It's only a small brickhead set with a piece count, but it also has a mechanical element to it, which moves the mouth up and down by the looks of things. So that's the one we're going to do today, and I expect it's going to be about maybe a 10-minute build. I could be wrong there. Then we have some other Brickheadz. 86 the elf, 85 the reindeer, and 87 Elfie. Set number 40353. And then finally, we have set number 40499. Reindeer and Santa's sleigh. This looks like a really nice set, and it's had some really good reviews as well. So this will be a nice one to do, and I'll probably do this one closer to Christmas Day. So that's what we have coming up on Sunday morning builds over the next couple of weeks. But for today, it's going to be the Nutcracker. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm going to do this as a speed build, so I will unpack this, have a look at the contents, and get into the build. So I hope you can hang around and wait till the end for my review of the Nutcracker Brickheadz number. Welcome back. Here we have the Nutcracker, Brickheadz number 1112, set number 40425. This was a really enjoyable build, and although I thought with only 180 pieces, I thought this might be a 10-minute build, it ended up taking the best part of 18 minutes, which was a surprise, but it was a different Brickheadz build to the other Brickheadz, which is always enjoyable. So this does have a moving piece with the mouth. Let's see this here, if I can get it to align properly. Okay, there we go. Come on. Not that you go sit there playing with it all day, but it's a nice little feature to have. An interesting way that it was built as well, which is always good with these Brickheadz when they do something different. And of course the helmet. The helmet was made out of what some of you may be familiar with, being the car bonnet. Which is a nice use of pieces. So there's 4 of those car bonnets which make the helmet. I really like this, and I think it's will be a great piece to have out separately, displayed separately within the mix of the different Lego Christmas sets. Of course, it comes with a stand, the Christmas tree, and a few gifts on the side there. The Christmas tree was an interesting way to put it together, made up of 4 4x2 angled piece, so a half 4x2 angled piece. And they just attached to this midline of single bricks, and it's quite effective for a very simple Brickheadz build. So that's it, that's the Nutcracker. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And over the next couple of weeks, I will get into the other Christmas sets that I showed at the beginning of this build. So thanks for hanging around and watching, and until next time, see you later.